It is time for the MegaDrive arcade stick plug and play from Head Games. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video it's time to talk about this plug and play arcade stick from Head Games. But what I think is really awesome, this one contains 16-bit games and we can add games to the Head Games. So let's do a little bit of overview. What are we going to get? And let's play some Sega MegaDrive games. Let's go back to the 90s. So it comes pre-installed with some games. As you can see, Studio Rate 1 and 2 are on here. So I am already hyped because one of my favorite games are on it. And even some Golden Eggs. Ooh, nice. So what I understand from the seller, he bought this in Belgium, here in Europe. I was thinking, maybe this is limited to, let's say, some stores in Europe. And they will not sell it in, let's say, the Netherlands where I live. So let me know, did you even notice a system like this in your local shop? Let me know, leave it in the comments. Alright, let's do a little bit of an unboxing together. What comes inside? What are we going to get with this stick? Plastic. Ooh, here it is. Here we have the manual. It's no toilet paper manual this time. It's a very deluxe manual, as you can see. It even has some explanation about the games and how many buttons the games are needed. Very nice. Alright, let's see what we have more. I was missing out something. It comes also with a power supply, 9 volts. So this is the stick itself. It only supports the old school signal output. So no HDMI, and if you want to play HDMI, you're going to need to buy a converter for that. This means it's only having mono sound. This one is for the image and this one is for mono sound. A little bit of a bummer, I personally prefer stereo sound. But nevertheless, let's take a close look at the joystick itself. This one, 6 buttons, very nice if you want to play fighting games. Joystick feels quite nice. The buttons, yeah, what you can expect from a system or product like this, just basic buttons. On and off, menu, start, and this is the SD slot. There is no way of using batteries or something like that. There are some plug and plays that using batteries, but it's not possible. It's got a very nice weight to it, so that is very nice. And what you can see already, the art on this thing is amazing. Alright, let's plug it in and let's see what we're going to get. Here we're going to use the power supply in. Alright, while powering on the system, this is what we're going to get. The Firecore menu. Like the box already tells us, we're having some games pre-installed, and I can tell you there are some awesome games. For example, Eternal Champions. I'm a big fighting fan. Alright, next page. So that's it. We have an SD function. We're also going to test it out, but first we're going to do some gameplay. And let's see how it's running.
from your grave. Power up.
So the things I'm noticing with the stick, of course, the music is horrible. I was already expecting it because it's in games, portable systems, and even this plug-and-play arcades have horrible sound. But if you don't care about the sound, the frame rate is pretty damn decent, and the joystick is very responsive. The buttons are very sensitive, so keep that one in mind. All right, let's do the SD card. Let's check the SD card. How can I open it? Failed to read game. All right. What I did in this attempt with this SD card is I added some folders, and within the folders I added the files. So it seems to be that it is not recognizing it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make an SD card, and this time I'm just going to put on the files itself, or the games. So with the second attempt I just put the games on the SD card. So it seems to be that the games have been recognized. So alright, cool, you can add games. Let's see if it even works on the add games. Let's use Straight Read 3 because this one was not on the system itself. Alright, it's a loading game. This is not one of the biggest games, but it's a couple of MBs. It's working with the sucks button, that's pretty damn nice. Alright. Wow. Save function doesn't work at all, so keep that one in mind. And the frame rate is pretty damn decent. No weird screen tearing or any problems. It's just the sound that is horrible. So for the final conclusion about the AdGames arcade stick. In overall, I think it's a really cool product to have. It plays the games not perfectly, the sound is pretty damn horrible. But if you look at the gameplay and the frame rate, it's running on, I think, PAL, but there is no screen tearing, no weird stuff going on. Also, this adding games of the AdGames is pretty damn cool. You can just basically add and play every game of the Sega 16-bit era. Very nice. The buttons are very sensitive, so keep that one in mind. The joystick is very responsive. I don't know if this is a defect, but my menu button doesn't do anything. If I press it in the game, it doesn't go back. So if it's a defect or just an epic fail, who knows. So if you have this product, you're thinking, hey, mine do exactly the same, then we know it's just the way how it is. Or in other words, epic fail. Let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the little bell. And check out the gaming channel if you're into gaming. See you next time. Bye bye.
Tiger!